Sterling, we know job sites can be tough places to keep things perfect, which is why our baths and showers are manufactured from Vikrell, because it's one of the toughest materials around. Vikrell is a plastic composite material, compression molded at 350 degrees with 1,800 tons of force. This means Vikrell is a solid piece of material without layers that can chip, crack, or peel. And it means a Vikrell bath or shower can handle anything a job site might throw at it, like primer drips, hot solder, or even an open flame. Vikrell wipes away clean every time, and you can actually feel the difference of Vikrell compared to acrylic or fiberglass baths and showers. There's no flex, no give, just solid construction. So if you accidentally drop a tool on it, or three, don't worry, Sterling has you covered. The panels are lightweight, and the three-piece design makes them easy to carry through a busy job site and around tight corners. Installation is incredibly quick and easy. Just snap the panels together for a watertight seal and drill directly to the stud. No caulk required. Vikrell baths and showers are designed with the pro in mind. They're exclusive to Sterling, easy to install, built to last, and backed by Kohler.